Imagine an AI that doesn't just chat with you, book your flights, finds your next apartment, and even creates a full presentation for your meeting. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, that future is already here with ChatGPT's brand new agent mode. In this video, I'll show you 4 real use cases where ChatGPT agents saved me hours. From making presentations to even ordering dinner. Let's jump in. Use Case 1, Presentation Maker. On ChatGPT, go to Tools and activate Agent Mode. Then, I told the agent, create a presentation about iPhone 17 Pro mode, including pricing, benchmarks, and top use cases. The agent spun up a virtual desktop, researched sources, and produced a 7-slide PowerPoint complete with charts and graphics. Result, a ready-to-download PPT. Use Case 2, Data Analysis Agent. Got a messy Excel with 250 students? Each one applied for multiple courses, so the sheet exploded into nearly 900 rows, and asked for an interactive Excel dashboard plus a summary deck for HR by giving prompts like this with clear information about what I want. Then I ran it through an agent. This agent ran Python, created new tabs, generated charts, and in minutes, it cleaned the data, split students into individual rows per course, built new tabs, and even flagged the messy entries. Then it generated charts, most popular courses, status breakdowns, timelines of applications, and a leaderboard of students who applied to the most courses. Use Case 3, Lead Research Agent. For B2B growth, I give this prompt to the ChatGPT. Then, my agent scraped job listings and identified companies hiring for AI transformation roles. It found 50-plus leads, captured hiring titles, locations, and source links, all in a neat table. Instead of hours of manual hunting, the agent handled the heavy research. Use Case 4, House Rental Agent. Looking for a new apartment or house to rent? I told the agent, can you search 2 BHK rent flats for the best price in New York Greenwich Village? I asked. It filtered property sites, pulled details into a neat table with prices, links, and locations. That's hours of property hunting saved. For more AI tips and tricks, subscribe.